in the butt?
What in the butt? What in the butt?
Your mom.
Really?
Mhm.
I know she is.
Yep.
Hey, why do you call your mom dude anyway?
I get smacked if I do that.
Asians always say anyway. That's so rude. That is so rude.
Ooh. Elaine's being Asian and watching Twilight.
No, I'm not.
Really? For the last 20 minutes, what were you doing? You were doing Pokemon? Dude, that battery's gonna die soon.
No, it's not. It's like, got like 67%. Here, let's watch Covenant.
Covenant!
Let's hear at least like this.
It's not scary.
I just saw that clip, man.
Oh, dude, that's cool. It's just like blue. You look like the Grudge.
That's cool. Ow. Wait, I wanna get my pajamas on.
I thought you said vagina. I want to get my vagina on. Yeah, this is her being a lesbian.
Look at my pajamas.
I'm not videotaping. Oh, man! Not again.
What happened? Did she get you? She wants you.
You just made her touch my boob.
In the butt. Apple.
The boob in my butt.
I got you. Thought you wouldn't get changed. I know, but you got dirty and
Your hair's horrible.
I'm just saying. Hey, look at my hair. They're put it on.
Dude, I would have laughed so hard. And I would have like, stick pose.
Just kidding.
Oh.
Oh wait, why is it going?
Oh, my stomach. I was about to say tummy. Oh, the stomach.
What are you saying? You know what's sad about TVs these days? Like, you don't have a remote, you can't turn it on.
Are we back in like the 50s?
Huh?
Are we back in the 50s when there's like no remote control for any TV?
No, not this. Cause like, see, there's no button anymore. Set in the eye. Told you so.
There's a button so. Oh.
Told you so.
Dude, come here.
Oh.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Elaine, come here.
Just threw up in my mouth a little bit.
There's buttons on the side. What happened? Why is this on again? Oh, it's that. I turned the volume down. There's a lot of remotes. There's Christine. Christine, make it go away. In the wash? In your parents' bedroom? Did your mom put them back in your room?
What is that? Is that an ant? What is
Oh, I hate bugs.
What's wrong with it?
Kill it.
No.
There's a big old buggy there.
It's an ant, but why is it just...
It's gonna attack your face. It's gonna like jump up and attack you.
No, he's like on the couch.
I'm supposed to sleep there tonight?
It's one ant.
Dude, no.
Okay, I'll sleep there.
No. I have a longer body with very short legs. I'm sorry that I'm so fat. There's an Asian butt there.
Super brother smash brother.
You have the knock.
Is this like, did you find my an illegal copy
No.
or something?
No, it's not, Elaine. Elaine. No, it's not.
Is it?
Stop. Hammer time. Nah. Can't touch this. I have a new text message. want to make me pancakes.
What?
What?
Can you open those? Open what?
Those. The doors.
Okay, I'll do it then.
Because she has an aunt that she wants to not kill.
I don't kill stuff, man. It's just an ant. You lie. You kill Catherine. If you had a chance.
Oh, it's not gonna be. Oh.
I respect every living.
No, that'll be me who will kill Catherine if I have the chance.
thing.
Mikey wants me to make him pancakes. And this video is 5.5 minutes.